I was born and raised in Selma. And so that gave me personal experience where I knew the needs of the area, particularly the Black Belt counties where we needed more resources, services, and support for community members, particularly addressing economic and social disparities across the state. That was the vision, and that was the birth of the Black Belt Internship Initiative for the school.
To see the natives from this area carrying this work throughout their careers and then deciding to come back and give back and bring all of the things that they've gathered while they were gone, all of the expertise, all of the knowledge, all of the resources, has just been transformative to our area.
Community partners are the heartbeat of social work. The work that we teach students to do in the classroom means nothing if they can't translate that and do it in an ethical way in a community.
Black Belt counties are some of the most under-resourced counties in the state, and so we're able to combine those efforts and community partnerships to address those social and economic disparities there.
Social work is all about people, and social work is all about communities. You can't have social work without communities. Communities were made for social workers, and social workers were made for communities.
Last year was our pilot year. We had one student. We've grown and have 2 students now. Our students have been highly involved in developing an alliance, and it's a wonderful full circle given that the school started with an act of legislation. Now our students are part of fulfilling another act of legislation to create partnerships throughout multiple counties. I think that's wonderful, and it shows how integral social work is, even in non-traditional settings where people don't believe social work is.
It really is a place where learning comes alive. It is an opportunity that so many other professions and majors dream about adding to their program, but it's essential. Having one right here in the Black Belt, where students get to be a part of so much history, so many systems, get to really see how inequity works, but they get to be a part of solutions. I mean, that is unique. That is a special experience for a student to have.
The work that the School of Social Work is doing in the Black Belt is transformative. We need scholars in this space to help with that. We need partnership with universities. Everything that we're gonna do to change our plight in this area, this rural area that most people would consider impoverished, is gonna require data, it's gonna require planning, it's gonna require collaboration. This initiative is built on that type of collaboration and partnership. You all are invaluable to what is happening, not only in Dallas County, but throughout the Black Belt.